This is the Orbital Period Interactive Calculator, which solves for various orbital mechanics parameters using Kepler's laws. Let's start with the drop-down menu for calculation mode. You can select Calculate Orbital Period, Calculate Orbital Radius, Calculate Central Body Mass, Calculate Orbital Velocity, Calculate Specific Orbital Energy, or Calculate Escape Velocity. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Orbital Period. Now for the input fields. First, we have Orbital Radius r, where you enter the distance from the orbital center in meters. Next is Central Body Mass m, which is the mass of the planet or star in kilograms. The orbital period t field is where you'd input the time for one complete orbit in seconds. Orbital velocity v is the speed along the orbital path in meters per second. Finally, satellite mass, m satellite, is the mass of the orbiting object in kilograms. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The primary result shows your calculated orbital period. The secondary results display related parameters like the orbital velocity, angular velocity, and gravitational parameter. Any warnings about your inputs or calculations appear at the bottom. This tool streamlines orbital mechanics calculations for satellite design and mission planning. Find the link in the description below.